Welcome to Illuminous. We'll show you in this video how to wire our 80-watt LED drivers. Now wire 120, 220, or 277 volts AC to the input. Please check the datasheet for supported dimmers. Also check the dimmer manufacturer's installation instructions as each are different. Now wire the LED load to the output. If the load is greater than 80 watts, the output will flash strobe. Our driver is wired, ready to test. With modern digital dimmers like Insteon 2477D, the minimum dim level and speed is set by the dimmer switch. Now we add a second reel, still under 80 watts total load. The two reels dim just as seamlessly as one. Thank you for watching.